Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a farm account inside of Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so basically a farm account is a secondary account whose main purpose is to gather and transfer resources to your main account from your farm account. Now this is a super common strategy once you're established and want it to scale faster. So now in order to create the farm account, basically what we need to do is create another account inside of Kingshot. So to open up Kingshot and then click onto your governor profile, click into settings, click into account. Now from here, you might need to link your account to continue your story on other devices. So basically make sure your account is linked to one of these. So this can be Facebook, Google, or Google Play. And then once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on change account so we can sign in with Google Play Games, Facebook. So sign in with your Google account for this and just use a different Google account, not the current one you're using. And then head back in the settings here, click onto characters, and then we want to go ahead and make a new character. So click on a new character. Now, before we create a new character, we need to select the right kingdom. So what I'm going to do is click out of that. So you can see I'm in Kingdom 309, so when we create a new kingdom, we need to make sure to get into 309. So I'm just going to type in 309 and click on Kingdom 309 and click confirm. So now this is basically going to start fresh in this game. And now just go through all the intro stuff, and basically you want to focus on setting up as a resource gathering, so rather than your active main account. So yeah, go through the tutorial at the start, and then from there we need to focus on economy gathering research. So in the academy, prioritize the economy of growth trees that boost gathering speed. We need to unlock all the march slots. So for example, the ability to send multiple groups together as soon as possible. Keep building resource generating buildings and sending marchers to gather wood, food, stone, iron continuously. Keep your storehouse level low on the farm account so that non-protected resources can be plundered, transferred more easily. And also ensure the farm is in the same alliance or the same state as your main so you can coordinate resource movement. Some players even send their main account to attack their farm account when their troops are out to transfer resources. Now basically use that farm account quietly since it's not your main focus. You don't need full max upgrades, heavy combat troops, etc. It's accustomed to pretty much resource productions.